Today guys, we're here at Solen Residences and right now nandito tayo ngayon sa ating clubhouse. And what I'm going to show you here sa ating video is yung ating whole development na update dito sa Solen Residences. Especially dun sa ating mga clients na nakapag-invest na dito sa Solen Residences or di kaya sa mga kagaya nyo na nanonood na planning pa lang mag-invest dito sa Metro Santa Rosa area. I'm going to show you an updated price, updated inventory, and syempre, yung pinakabago nating magiging access from Phase 1D directly going to Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. And I know na excited na kayo, so let's make this video a very quick lang guys. Let's go! Sa mga hindi nakakaalam no guys, Solen Residences is one of the premium projects of Greenfield inside Greenfield City, Santa Rosa, Laguna. It's a self-sustaining master plan community. So nandito na lahat ng kailangan ninyo in terms of medical, andyan ang ating the medical city, in terms of leisure, malapit lang tayo sa Paseo Outlet Mall, and also in terms of location, we are located in a prime location. Bukod sa nasa loob tayo ng isang master plan community, we are just exit away using Eton Greenfield exit going to Manila or some part of Batangas. So hindi ka na mag-worry dito if you have a client meeting sa BGC or di kaya dun located yung inyong office o di kaya in terms of leisure naman or outings sa inyong family every weekends, pwede kayo pumunta ng Batangas sa mga nagagandahan nating beach resorts. So literally, nasa gitna ka talaga ng buong development dito. Pero kung liliitan lang natin and to give you a broader idea kung ano-ano nga ba yung mga malalapit na development, dito sa Solen Residences, we are just few minutes away from Eton City, another master plan community. And tawid lang tayo sa kabilang side naman, andyan ang Santa Elena City. And then, kapitbahay lang niya is New Valley, Ayala Land Development. Tumawid naman tayo ng Calax. Andiyan naman ang development ulit ni Alveo which is Broadfield and South Forbes which is developed by Catayland. So in terms of mall, hindi lang Paseo ang pwede natin ma-enjoy. Andiyan ang Eton Square, ang Vista Mall, and syempre yung pinakabagong premium mall na dinedevelop nila dito sa Metro Santa Rosa area which is SM Neo Verde. We are just 10 to 15 minutes away lang. You can imagine you are not just investing in Solen Residences but the development also in the area. Sa Greenfield City guys, hindi lang Solen Residences ang meron tayo. Actually, we do have Pramana Residential Park, the first project of Greenfield here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, and the first ever residential park in the country. Next is Solen Residences kung nasaan tayo ngayon, and sumunod naman yung deluxe project nila which is Trava. So give you an idea guys, Trava has a 550 square meter lot size to 750 square meters, so medyo mas bigger lot siya. And sumunod naman is Solen Residences. We do have a 150 square meter to up to 400 square meter. Same in Pramana. So the difference lang, syempre mas nauna nag-start yon, so mas mabababa talaga nakuha yan ng mga naunang investor dito sa Greenfield City. So Solen Residences guys, meron tayong tatlong phases, Phase 1, Phase 2, and Phase 3. And ito yung mga existing na nandito sa Solen na kung saan makikita nyo yung ibang lots that is for sale natin, yung secondary market. Doon located yung mga lots na yon. And ngayon naman, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is yung extension nila which is Phase 1C and Phase 1D. At yung Phase 1C and Phase 1D naman is an extension naman sa Phase 1. That's why it called Phase 1C and Phase 1D. And napakaganda mag-invest ngayon guys because it's on pre-selling stage. Pwedeng-pwede nyo ma-maximize yung payment terms and yung value ng property. And alam ko kung gusto niyo ng pag-usapan, so let's dive into the details. To help you more clearly on your investment lot dito sa Phase 1C and Phase 1D, I prepared a sample computation actual dito na available sa Phase 1D. Yeah, Phase 1D. Block 11, Lot 4, and it has a 150 square meter. Ang price niya for now is 7,380,742. That's the total selling price. Sa payment terms naman na pwede nyo makonsider is isa sa pinagmamalaki ko dito sa Solen Residences is maliit lang yung inyong down payment. Usually, 20% guys, di ba? Sa mga ibang developers or ibang projects. But dito sa Solen Residences, they only require you 10% of down payment and payable up to 18 months pa. And then the 90% remaining, you can pay it through bank financing or you can pay it in cash. Kagaya ng ibang ginagawa ng mga client natin dito sa Solen Residences, lalo na nasa ibang bansa sila, nag-a-avail sila ng pre-selling. So 18 months yung down payment, and at the same time, nag-iipon na rin sila doon ng remaining na 90%. Pag uwi nila dito sa bansa, binabayaran nila ng cash. So, hindi pa sila nai-interesan din ng bank. Pero it depends guys. Depende naman yun sa cash flow ninyo. But yung iba naman, kahit na kaya nilang bayaran, gusto nilang i-maximize pa to. But at some point, they have other business na pwede pang pag-investan ng amount ng pera na yon. So, mas maganda rin yun. Mas mapapalago mo pa actually. Pero yun nga guys, you can pay it in cash or you can loan it through bank financing. So, very flexible. Okay? Ang magiging monthly down payment mo dito exactly sa hawak kong computation na lot is 38,226 pesos monthly for the whole 18 months. So yung remaining na 90% you can pay it through bank or you can pay it in cash. And to secure this investment lot, specifically Block 11 Lot 4 is 50,000 pesos for the reservation fee. So sa 50,000 pesos na yon, secured na yung inyong investment dito sa Solen Residences. And isa pa sa gusto kong i-share bukod sa its very flexible computation no, dito sa Solen Residences is sa Phase 1D, magkakaroon tayo ng access from Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road directly papunta dito sa Phase 1D. So it's another route din na pabor sa mga mag-i-invest sa Phase 1D kasi directly may access na sila pa Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam no guys, pwede tayo dito mag-avail kay Greenfield ng sticker or as alam ko pag homeowners ka may libre ka ata na 1 year na member na pwede kang dumaan dun sa Greenfield Parkway from dyan Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road, lalabas ka lang, diretsuhin mo yung sa may kanan mo, no, papunta na po yun ng Mamplasan exit. Literally dun sa circle ka na lalabas. So, nalimutan ko lang yung exact amount kung magkano yun per year. Pero alam ko kapag homeowner ka, libre ka ng 1 year doon sa sticker na yon. Tapos makuha mo yon syempre, pag na-turn over na yung lot sa inyo. So, inad ko lang yon, kinunik ko lang dun sa magiging exit nila Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road kasi nandun mismo yung access na yun papunta sa may Mamplasan. So, aside from Eton Greenfield City, aside from using Calax, you can also use the Greenfield Parkway, which all you need is a sticker lang. Kung dito ka naman naka-resident guys, very worth it yung pagpapamember ng sticker na yon. And that's all for today's video guys. Sobrang quick lang no. I just want to give you an update, especially sa mga buyers natin na nakapag-invest na dito sa Solen Residences, dito sa ating pre-selling na extension. And also for those of you guys na naghahanap ng lot investment dito sa Metro Santa Rosa, you may consider Solen Residences extension. And what's good about this property guys, in terms of investment, this is very flexible payment terms. For retirement in the future, pwede na itong nakaabang na property, and higit sa lahat, itong ating location, it's located in the prime location and located siya sa isang Greenfield City, isang master plan community dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. If you are that kind of person who want this kind of investment or di kaya a peaceful place kagaya ng Solen Residences for your future retirement, don't hesitate to message us on the numbers flash on the screen. It is 639-696-020-739. It has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage para sa ating mga kababayan abroad. And that's all for today's video guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next one.